Hello everyone, the Yellow Guy Fire Alarm here, and today we're going to be unboxing a fire alarm. I believe this is a 2902 something. We will find out when we unbox this. So, anyway, let's get on with the unboxing. So, first I'm going to have to put down the camera for a sec. Alright, get it down here. Open this side up. Alright. Got the tape removed. So, alright, there we go. So let's open this up. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do more. Hold on. Wait a second, I'm sorry. That's it. Yes, I can. So here you go. Here you go. Now, this fire alarm is uncommon. I won't call it rare, really, but it's just uncommon. The 2900, I think it's a 2902 plate that go with this are rare, because I really don't see them on eBay anymore that much. But let's take a look. Okay, to the other side. It's a 2902 9739 life alarm. So this is basically a speaker. So this is the strobe circuitry. I think that, yeah, that's a potential monitor. That's where your wiring goes. And I assume this is where your speaker, that's where the strobe is. But anyway, I am planning on getting the light plate or strobe plate with the what's it called? 2900. What is this one here? It's 2902 9838. Okay, I got that right. But I do have the one with the plate. I want the one with the plate with this one, but still, I will see what I'm gonna do with this device. But anyway, this has been the unboxing video. Y'all have a great day.